Let me inform you today in the review meeting chaired by our Honorable Chief Minister, along with the online VC with all the respective deputy commissioners of our state. And after thorough discussion, getting the inputs from different district administration authority, the following decision is taken by the government, and this is done according to the inputs, according to the assessment made by the expert of health department and also in consultation with all the respective deputy commissioners of the state. Number one, the government today has decided to put in place containment measures. We don't say lockdown, we say containment measures for the following places. One, Shillong urban agglomeration. Two, Joai town. And number three, Tura town. These are the three places where we found that the spike of COVID-19 is vulnerable. These containment measures will take effective from 1st May at 5 a.m. morning till 10th May 5 a.m. morning, and the total number of days is 10 days. And the containment measures includes the following. Please listen very carefully. All public, political, social and religious gatherings are not allowed, including meetings, religious services, trainings, except weddings and funerals are permitted, subjected to adherence of protocols for gathering, which is to be regulated by the respective deputy commissioners. Number two, all sporting activities are not allowed. All sporting activities are not allowed. Number three, all educational institutions shall remain shut from 1st up to 10th of May 2021. Next, all private offices will be shut except those providing essential services. Next, non-essential central government institutions is also closed down their offices and they can work from home. Next, all other non-essential movement is discouraged or is stopped. Any other movement of an emergent in nature may be allowed on issuance of passes from the Deputy Commissioners concerned, and those violating the movement protocol will be subject to penalty. Next, public vehicular movement reduced to 1/4 of the existing capacity, subject to the regulations to be worked by the Deputy Commissioners and the Transport Department. Public transport is being allowed for use of those who are in need of services like healthcare and emergency services, including vaccination, students and teachers, staff attending exams, and movement of persons as per the para 5 of this order. Next, inter-district movement or intra-district movement to or from Shillong, urban agglomeration, Jowai town and Tura town, and any other containment area which is to be notified by the respective Deputy Commissioners will be restricted except for those who are permitted as per the special and emergency services. For any other trouble of an essential or emergent nature, permission shall be given by the Deputy Commissioners concerned. It is also advised that unless absolutely necessary, movement of persons to Shillong urban agglomeration, Jowai and Tura should not be undertaken.